Can't find your favorite items in Roblox on your iPhone? It can be really annoying when your account is full but you don't know where to look. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your favorite Roblox items on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, then tap on your profile picture. Next, swipe up a little bit, then tap on View Full Profile. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you will see the favorite section, but there is one more way if you don't find it here. I will tell you a few seconds later. Just tap on the favorite arrow next to it. Here you will see all the items you've favorited, like places, memes, games, then accessories, clothing, audio, and many more. If you tap on accessories, you will get more subcategories like head, face, neck, etc. Tap any item to open it or visit its page. Now let's see another way to find the favorite option. So go back to your profile page. Now look at the top of the Creations tab. Here you can see a 3-dot icon and tap on it. Next, tap Favorites. Here you will see the same categories. That's all. Now you know how to find your favorite items in Roblox on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.